Hey guys! Finding the perfect fall boots that look classy and stay comfortable all day? Nearly impossible until I tried these Coutgo kitten heel ankle booties. Just look at this, soft faux suede with a leather interior, a sleek pointed toe, and that cute 2.28-inch kitten heel, elegant without trying too hard. The side zipper makes them super easy to slip on, and the cushioned footbed plus non-slip rubber sole. Honestly, they're comfortable enough for all-day wear. Whether it's work, a night out, or just everyday fall style, these booties elevate every outfit. If you want chic, comfy, and versatile,